welcome to Chili Recipe and I am Dimpal Shah. Today we are going to make Chinese rice and the ingredients needed for the Chinese rice are as follows. Boiled basmati rice, chopped cabbage, green chili paste, ginger paste, garlic paste, chopped carrot, chopped capsicum, vinegar, soya sauce and salt. Now we are starting with our recipe. First we have to take a pan. We are adding some edible oil to it. Just heat this oil for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon green chili paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Now give a nice mix to it. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of chopped capsicum, 2 to 3 teaspoons of chopped carrot, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of chopped cabbage, and now mix it properly. Now I am adding 1 cup of cooked basmati rice. We are taking basmati rice here. More than 1100 types of rice are available in the country. Now we are adding soya sauce. Vinegar, and salt to taste. Now mix this all properly. As our Chinese rice is ready, now let's serve it. And garnish it with some coriander leaves. You can also use the spring onions for garnishing. Our Chinese rice is ready to serve.